Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 7, that is geometry, and today we will learn line draw of three-dimensional object on paper or on a flat surface. Means when we will give the height of the 2D shapes, when we give height of these 2D shapes, it will become a 3D shapes. As you can see here, 2D dimensional figures are figure without any height. There is no height, So when we give height to two-dimensional figure, it's become a three-dimensional figure. For example, square, as you can see here. When we give height to a square, it's become a cube. Got it, children? When we give height to a square, it's become a cube, and a cube has a six face. As you can see here, six faces are there and 12 edges. If we will look at a cube from any side, top, bottom, up, down, right, left, it will be look like a square. Got it, children? It will look like a square because cube is made up from square. When we give the height of this square, it will become cube. Got it? Now, same here, rectangle also. When we give height to a rectangle, it becomes a cuboid. Okay. When we give height to a rectangle, so it's become a cuboid. So a cuboid has six face, six rectangular face and 12 edges. Got it? And if you look at a cuboid from top, it will look like a rectangle. Okay, from top, if you will see this cuboid, it will look like a rectangle. Got it, children? Keep it in mind. Rectangle, it's look like from where? Any side, it will look like square. If you will see from top, it will look like a what? Rectangle. Now, here, cylinder. If you give height to a circle, see here a circle, this circle, if you will give the height to the circle, it becomes a cylinder. If you will if you look at the cylinder from the top, it will look like a circle. Okay, if you will look from the top, it will look like a circle. Got it? Now, square pyramid. So a square pyramid have five faces. One is this downside, and four faces are in a rectangular shape. The one is the downside one is square, that is why it's known as square pyramid, and one face called the base, it is a square, and the other four faces are triangular. If you look at the pyramid from one side, it looks like a triangle. Okay, if you look at the pyramid from one side, it will look like a triangle. Got it, children? Now, a sphere is three-dimensional figure version of circle. Means it's look like a circle, but it's a three-dimensional figure. Example, ball, football, volleyball, all these are three-dimensional figure. Got it, children? Now, cone. The base of the cone is a circle. As you can see here, this circle, and it has a curved surface. This curved surface, which is pointed at the top, means this is the vertex. So now let's do the exercise. Okay. So when we view a cube from top, it will look like, yes, it's made up of a square. So it will look like square. Correct? A cuboid has how many faces? Yes, six faces. So when we give a height to a circle, it's become a what? Cylinder. Got it, children? What it become? It's become a cylinder. Now, sphere is a dash dimensional figure. 3D. Yes or no? Three-dimensional figure. And the base of the cone is circle. And a square pyramid has dash faces. How many? Five faces. Got it? Now, a cube has dash edges, 12 edges. The base of a square pyramid is dash in shape, square. That is why the name of the square pyramid is square. Then a dash has six square faces. Square faces. Okay, children. What is that? That is cube. A cuboid has dash vertices. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Got it? So these questions are very important. So you learn it. Okay. Thank you everyone.